What place? This is the ones.
10, 100.
So this is what place?
10.
10. So 10 less. How many tens do we have?
8.
8.
80.
How many are we going to take away? How many tens? How many tens are we taking away? Daisy? Yes? So where did you put the 0?
100 place.
In the hundreds place. Very good. Can you read that number, Lila?
45,611,025.
Very good. Okay, you go ahead.
45,611,025.
Excellent. Excellent.
We're supposed to do 5 halves?
5
1,
halves,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah, Edward has done 5 halves.
How?
Look at 1 half. What together? What is this?
1 whole.
So there's 1 whole. So you've shaded 1 half, 2 halves, 3 halves.
4 halves, 5 halves.
Okay, shade them in. So, what does this improper fraction equal?
2.
2 and 1 half.
2 what?
2 holes and 1
And
half.
1 half. Well, you have your 3 holes right now. Take your holes, partition them into thirds. So this is how many?
1, 2, 3 thirds.
Yeah.
2 thirds. 2 holes.
2 holes
And 2 thirds.
so turn that into, remember that the whole number is bigger.
Oh, yeah.
There.
Okay. So
Third
now
thirds.
shade in 8 thirds. Good.
And 4.
Okay, go to the next one. Ah, oh good. I like that you split them in half first and then took them fourths.
Yeah.
So you have
So 2 holes and 2 thirds.
perfect.
Mrs. Legault, why do you like to teach after-school math tutoring?
I like to teach after-school math tutoring because I really enjoy the one-on-one support that I can give the students. I really think they bring a lot out of it. It's a quiet environment and we can have fun and learn at the same time. We want to find the sum of these 2 fractions. You're keeping the same proportion, okay? And with this one, you did 3 times. Tell me what you did there.
3 times 8 and 2 times 8.
Okay? All right?
And I got 16.
All right. So what do you do now that your denominators are like?
So Lena, can you tell us what you like best about coming for after-school tutoring?
What I like best is that it's fun and I get to learn a lot more outside of class. It's like I'm still in class, but I'm just learning with Holly.
Do you have a favorite part of tutoring?
When we played Snap It Up, it was a multiplication game.
With these problems, you're looking to find fractions that are closest to, and they're going to give you 4 choices. And you're going to use your knowledge and rationalizing about fractions, comparing them to benchmarks. Know about 3/8 and 2/3.
That it's going to be closer to 1 because 1 or 2 because 3/8 is 1/8 less than a half, and 2/3 is a half of a third away from half.
Okay. Now, if we add these 2 fractions together, would they possibly make 5? Because we're talking about a fraction of 1 whole. So we're adding 1 fraction of a whole plus another fraction of a whole.
Well, if it adds up to be 2, you might want to say it's closer to 5 because the choice of 2 isn't on there.
Okay. All right. So let's use what you know about these fractions and figure out how close it is to one of these choices. So go ahead and start.
So Holly, what do you like best about staying after school for Promising Practices math tutoring?
I like playing. What I like best is
playing math games after we finish warm-ups. And that can be added to 1/2 to get a sum of 7/8. Explain your answer using merger diagrams.
So Holly, set up an equation. When you're looking at these two fractions, how would you set up the equation? Now, remember how we learned there's an inverse relationship with subtraction? Could you set this up into a subtraction equation? Okay. And think about what you know about 1/2 and possibly equivalence of 1/2, or how far away from 1/2 7/8 is.
3/8.
Okay. How did you come up with that?
Because I knew that 1/2 minus 7/8 is 3/8.
Okay. And how did you determine that? You said, so you know that, did you know right away that 1/2 was
I knew
minus, or 7/8 minus 1/2 equals 3/8?
Well, I knew that 4/8 is 1/2, but in 4/8 is 3/8 away from 7/8.
Okay, very good.